One.
All right, Kingsmill, welcome back to, hey, up here, up at the ceiling. Welcome back to our episodes of putting the fitness center back together. Pretty excited about the progress we've made the last 2 weeks. Everything has kind of been focused on going up in the ceilings, stuff you won't really see at the end. New HVAC, new insulation. We're gonna get through just about everything, show you around. But it's pretty dang exciting. Got all the new HVAC in, ready to go up. Quite a bit of material coming on in. Good jamming stuff, good jamming. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate that. So we're in the new space of our third fitness studio. Opened up quite nicely. We pushed, that was an entry wall, pushed it back. Got a nice, beautiful space in here. Yoga Studio 1. HVAC going up. New fire suppression. Testing out new windows. New plumbing arrived and on site. Pretty dang exciting. More plumbing. The men's locker rooms are progressing nicely. New framing in there, new plumbing, getting everything ready to go for the new sauna, steam room, and whirlpool. New framing, this is our weight wall in our weight center, and then new fire suppression, new electrical going up top. Come on downstairs, we haven't been downstairs in a while. We cleaned out these studios, reframed them, opened them up, they look pretty dang nice. The space really cleaned out nicely. Gutted everything, new walls, new framing, new electrical comes next, new HVAC, ran some new AC units. It's gonna be quite cold down here, bring a jacket next time. All right, and last but not least, update on our indoor pool construction. Gonna go in there. They've taken out nearly all the skylights. They're taking the last one out right now. And as soon as that's done, new roofing, and then redo the interior, repaint. Here they are, closing up the last of the skylights. So we'll get some new roofing, new lights, new paint in here, and certainly excited to get this going. Thanks for having us. See you in 2 more weeks.